Good day guys, this is my K24 in a EG Civic, and I'm using a full-size radiator. Now the problem with this radiator is that when we are using this OEM idle air control valve, it will hit the radiator fan, and I need to order the K20 IACV rotation plate to use it, but unfortunately my control for idle is not as good as I like, so instead I did another way. This is the K20 IACV rotation plate, and install the 218 to barb fittings, and then use the proper hose. And then I ordered this bracket, IACV bracket for the Honda PnD series, the 2-pin plug from Xcessive Manufacturing. And then you need to drill this hole, make it bigger so that it will fit the manifold here. This is the IACV. I cut these tubes, which is not required, and then this is the hole for the mounting bolt. I'm using the RBC manifold. I'm not sure about the other manifolds. And you also need to install the two barbs, quarter and PT to barb to 3/8, I think, and then connect the hoses. So this left tube from the throttle body should connect to the left side. So left to left, and the right also needs to connect to the right side. Now for the wiring, temporarily I just connected the wires. So the middle is the 12 volts and the left is the IACV signal from the ECU. So just connect the two wires to the left and the middle. This is the ECU that we are using, our PnPduino K series. So now we can control the idle. Let me start the engine. As you can see, the IACV, the duty cycle 2020. We can control the idle now. Now it's 30. So that's 20. And also the AC now works for the idle up. AC is on. Turn off the AC. So now our K24 is being controlled by the older IACV from the Honda BND, the 2-pin. Thank you guys. Next time again. If you have any questions, just message us in Facebook or email. Thank you.